Hi, my name is Lekha. I'm studying first sem MBA of SVCE Bengaluru. My part of presentation is T distribution properties and application. Introduction to the T distribution. The T distribution is a probability distribution used in statistical inference, particularly when dealing with small sample and unknown population standard deviation. It arises from the need to estimate the population mean when the true population standard deviation is not known, making it cruel from hypothesis test and confidence interval estimation. The needs for the t distribution. Uncertainty in simple standard deviation. Accounting for uncertainty. Uncertainty in sample standard deviation. When the population standard deviation is unknown, we use the sample standard deviation S as an estimate. However, this estimate is not always accurate, especially for small samples. Accounting for uncertainty. The t distribution accounts for the additional uncertainty introduced by the using S instead of O. It has hovering tiles than the standard normal distribution. Reflection the increased variability in the sample distribution. Properties of t distribution. There are four. First one, the T distribution is bell-shaped and symmetrical around a mean of O. Second, it has heavier tile than the standard normal distribution, implying greater variability. Third one, the T distribution is characterized by degree of freedom df, which are calculated as df is equals to n minus 1 where n is the sample size. Fourth one, as the degree of freedom increases, the t distribution approaches the standard normal distribution. Calculation t values and probabilities. T values can be determined using t tables or statistical software like R or Python. P-value representation, the probability of obtaining a result as extreme as the observed one, can also be calculated using t-tables or software. For example, to find the t-value for df is equals to 20 and a is equals to 0.05, you would like up the intersection of these values in the t-table. Interpreting the results involves comparing the p-value to level A. P is equal P minus value less than A indicates statistical significance, the null hypothesis. One sample t-test hypothesis testing. One sample t-test evaluated whether the mean of sample differs significantly from the hypothesized population mean. The null hypothesis assumes no difference between the sample mean and the population mean, while the alternative hypothesis suggested a difference. The step involved calculating the t-statistics, determining the p-value and comparing it to the significant level to make a decision about the null hypothesis. Independent two sample t-test. There are three. First one, two sample t-test compare the means of two independent groups to determine if there is a significant difference between them. Second one, assumptions of the test include independence between groups, normality of data, and equality of variance. Third one, formulas are used to calculate the t-statistics of freedom with the p-value using t-table or software. Paired sample t-tests. There are three. First one, paired sample t-tests are used when you have paired or matched observation like before and after measurement or matched pairs. Second one, the differences between pairs are calculated and a one sample test is performed on these differences. Third one, the t-statistics degree of freedom and p-value are determined using standard t-test. Conclusion, t-distribution in practice. The t-distribution is a powerful tool of statistical inference, particularly when dealing with the small samples and unknown population. Standard deviation is relationship to the standard normal distribution and its dependency on degree of freedom make it a valuable instrument for hypothesis tests and confidence interval estimation. Further exploration of the t-distribution and its applications in real-world data analysis will enhance your understanding of statistical analysis. Thank you.